In a move that has stunned the entire automotive and aviation world, China has officially launched its first ever flying car. And what's truly jaw-dropping is the price tag. Just $6,789. Yes, you read that right. For less than the cost of a basic electric scooter in some countries, you could soon own a fully functional flying vehicle. This marks a new chapter in the future of personal transportation, as China once again pushes the boundaries of innovation and affordability. Developed by a group of Chinese tech engineers and backed by local government funding, this futuristic machine, known as the Air One Mini Flyer, is designed to bring flying mobility to the masses. For years, flying cars have been the dream of science fiction and billion-dollar startups. But now, China has made it a reality. Simple, practical, and shockingly inexpensive. The Air One Mini Flyer is not just a prototype or concept model. It's a commercially available, ready-to-fly personal air vehicle that's now hitting the domestic market, with international expansion reportedly on the horizon. So what exactly do you get for $6,789? The Air One Mini Flyer is a lightweight electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, eVTOL, designed primarily for short-range commuting and recreational use. It features a compact frame made from carbon, fiber, and reinforced aluminum, keeping the entire craft under 100 kilograms in weight. The flying car is equipped with 4 electric propellers, similar to a large drone, allowing for smooth vertical lift and stable hovering. It can reach altitudes of up to 200 meters, travel at speeds of around 90 kilometers per hour, and fly for approximately 25 to 30 minutes on a single charge. While these numbers may not sound as powerful as those from luxury eVTOL makers like Xpeng Aero HT or EHang, the Air One Mini Flyer's true breakthrough lies in its affordability and accessibility. The company behind it aims to make flying vehicles as common as electric bikes within the next decade. Charging the vehicle is as simple as plugging it into a home outlet. No complex airport infrastructure or special licenses are required for basic recreational flight in designated areas. The design of the Air One is sleek yet functional. With its minimalistic body, foldable rotor arms, and futuristic LED lights, it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The cockpit is enclosed with a transparent canopy that provides full visibility, while an intuitive touchscreen interface lets users control flight modes, monitor battery status, and even set GPS routes for semi-autonomous flight. The vehicle can be flown manually via joystick or switched to auto mode, where onboard AI handles navigation and stability, making it accessible even to first-time flyers. Safety, of course, has been one of the top concerns in any new form of aviation, and this Chinese flying car doesn't take it lightly. The Air One Mini Flyer includes redundant propeller systems, automatic return-to-home functionality, and emergency parachute deployment. Its onboard AI constantly scans for obstacles using LiDAR sensors and radar, adjusting flight paths in real time to avoid collisions. Additionally, the carbon fiber cage around the cockpit ensures that the pilot remains protected even in the unlikely event of a rough landing. What's even more impressive is the vehicle's energy efficiency. The Air One operates entirely on electric power and can be fully charged in about 90 minutes using a standard 220V home charger. With zero emissions and a whisper-quiet motor system, it's environmentally friendly, a major step forward for sustainable personal transport. Analysts predict that if such flying vehicles gain mass adoption, they could significantly reduce the burden on urban roads and help lower overall carbon footprints across cities. The Chinese government's support for electric aviation has played a crucial role in bringing this innovation to life. With policies encouraging eVTOL research, streamlined certification, and massive investment in battery and AI technologies, China has become the world leader in next-generation mobility. Local authorities have even started building vertiports, small takeoff and landing zones, in major cities like Shenzhen and Guangzhou, where citizens will soon be able to safely operate these low-altitude personal flyers. But what truly makes this launch revolutionary is the price factor. Flying vehicles around the world typically cost anywhere from $100,000 to $1 million. Even entry-level electric aircraft in the West remain completely out of reach for ordinary people. By pricing their model under $7,000, Chinese engineers have effectively democratized the concept of flying transportation. It's a move reminiscent of how the first affordable cars, like the Ford Model T, revolutionized mobility in the early 20th century. Now, the same could happen, but in the skies. Public reactions have been extraordinary. Videos of the Air One Mini Flyer taking off vertically from a parking lot and soaring effortlessly above the city skyline have gone viral on Chinese social media. Enthusiasts and influencers are calling it the drone you can sit in, while early testers describe it as a surreal experience that feels safer and simpler than expected. Some have even suggested that this vehicle could transform rural logistics and rescue operations, providing quick, low-cost transport in areas where road infrastructure is poor. However, there are still a few challenges ahead. Regulatory frameworks for personal flying vehicles are still developing, and mass production will require tight safety oversight. Yet, experts believe that as technology improves and demand grows, we'll see new flight corridors, AI-assisted air traffic systems, and integrated charging hubs emerge to support this aerial revolution. In short, China's first flying car hitting the market for just $6,789 isn't just another tech headline. It's a turning point in human mobility. It represents the shift from dreaming about flying cars to actually owning one. It's affordable, electric, eco-friendly, and designed for everyone. For the first time in history, ordinary people can look at the sky and imagine themselves taking off into it. The future of transportation is no longer decades away. It's already here. And, once again, China is leading the charge to make the impossible possible. With this breakthrough, the Air One Mini Flyer isn't just a flying car. It's a symbol of how innovation, ambition, and affordability can truly lift humanity to new heights.